Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, dear all. Welcome back to English session. In our previous session, we were discussing about sunny morning, and we have discussed about the love story. We haven't discussed about the love story, but here Donna Laura got to know that the person, whom she has loved once is none other than the person whom she is talking with right now. But yet Don Gonzalo haven't rectified this. The same lady is my beloved Donna Laura. Let's see what proceeds the action. But make sure you are watching this video series accordingly so that you cannot miss any paragraph. Okay, let's get started with the chapter. Page number 43. Yeah. First paragraph, second paragraph आदमेले fourth line 1 2 3 4 yeah. Laura says, have you ever seen or have you ever heard the story? Yes, I do. Don Gonzalo says, yes, I know the story, the love story. Laura, the ways of providence are strange. So the ways of life, the ways of providence are literally strange, Don Gonzalo, isn't it, Gonzalo? So she recognized Don Gonzalo eventually. Don Gonzalo, the gallant lover in the same affair. So they loved each other. The silver maiden and the gallant lover. Make sure this is important for you guys to remember their names, isn't it? The silver maiden. Gallant lover. So the silver maiden was in love with the gallant lover. So they know each other now. The ways of province are strange, aside Gonzalo. The gallant lover in the same affair. Yeah, I know the match. The silver maiden was in love with the gallant lover. Laura, the duel. Yeah. The duel. The duel here is the quarrel or the problematic situation they have been had there. The problem. Usually, all love affairs alli eno on jagla, eno on problem idde irutte. The duel, is it? The duel. So she remembers the duel. Gonzalo, precisely the duel. The gallant lover was my cousin, whom I was very fond. Our gallant lover, Nana cousin, isn't it? So he was my cousin. I was very fond of him. Silver maiden, my cousin, isn't it? And my friend, isn't it? Cousin, my best friend. But whereas they are the same people, isn't it? Silver maiden is Laura, and this is Don Gonzalo, right? Gonzalo, same name. Don Gonzalo. So they are the same people, but yet they don't want to express the real identity. They want to hide the real identity. So Laura says, the silver maiden is my best friend, whereas she is the silver maiden. And Don Gonzalo, he says the gallant lover was my cousin, whereas he was the gallant lover. But they wanted to hide the real identities from each other, so they did so. So he says the gallant lover in the same affair the duel. Precisely, the duel. The gallant lover was my cousin, of whom I was very fond. I am very fond of him. I mean, he was very dear to me. I was very fond of him. Laura. Oh yes, a cousin. Oh, howda? Cousin. She remembers, right? She recognized Don Gonzalo. But still, she's pretending as if she hadn't recognized him. My friend told me in one of her letters the story of that affair. Oh, don't worry, I don't know about it. But my friend, who is Silver Maiden, my best friend, told me about their love stories in one of her letters about their story, about their affair, which was truly romantic, isn't it? Which was truly romantic, but unfortunately they didn't acquire it, or they didn't accomplish it. He, your cousin, passed by on horseback every morning down the rose path under her window and tossed up to her balcony a bouquet of flowers which she caught. So nin cousin en ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ, make sure you are remembering this very carefully, because you need to answer them. They might ask you question regarding these paragraphs, so make sure you're reading it thoroughly. So she says, yeah, I remember this story, the affair. My close friend, the Silver Maiden, had narrated this story or narrated their affair in one of her letters. Your cousin, the gallant lover, used to go, truly romantic. Your cousin passed by on horseback, ಅವನು ಕುದುರೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು every morning down the rose path. ಆ ರೋಸ್ ಪಾತ್ ಏನಿತ್ತು, ರೋಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಂಡೋ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಲ್ಕನಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬ್ಯಾಲ್ಕನಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಜಾಗ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಫುಲ್ ರೋಸ್ ಗಿಡ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ನೇಮ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ರೋಸ್ ಪಾತ್. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೋಸ್ ಗಿಡ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದು ಆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟಿಗೆ ರೋಸ್ ಪಾತ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಯೋರ್ ಕಸಿನ್ passed by on horseback every morning down the rose path. ಆ ರೋಸ್ ಪಾತ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಅಂಡರ್ ಹರ್ ವಿಂಡೋ. ಸೊ ಅವಳ ವಿಂಡೋ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಆಸೆಯಿಂದ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟಾಸ್ಡ್ ಅಪ್ her balcony, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ, ಎಸಿತಾ ಇದ್ದ bouquet of flowers which she caught. So to express his deep love towards the lady, he used to bring bouquet of flowers and he used to toss to her. So ಆ ಬುಕ್ಕೆನ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಎಸಿತಾ ಇದ್ದ, riding horse. So she used to catch it, so that, yeah, I too love you, isn't it? The expression, the sweet expression of the love. Yeah, I too love you. And later, Gonzalo, and later in the afternoon, the gallant horseman would return by the same path and catch the bouquet of flowers she would toss him. Am I right? So he says, yeah, ಹೌದು. ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಡಾನ್ ಗಾನ್ಜಾಲೋ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ, ಟಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬುಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ನ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಮೇಡನಿಗೆ. ಅಟ್ ದಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಅವನು ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಅದೇ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೇಟರ್ ಲಾರಾ ಲಾರೆಂಟೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಪಾಸ್ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಟಾಸ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಬುಕೆ ಟು ಗ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಲವರ್ to show that she too loves him and he too loves her, isn't it? So it's a mutual love between each other, and they love each other. The ways of expression might be different, isn't it? ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಥರ ವೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ they used to toss flowers, isn't it? They used to toss the bouquet of flowers to each other to express their love. Am I right? ನಾನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Yes, they wanted to marry her to a merchant whom she would not have. But unfortunately, their parents, Silver Maiden parent entere, they wanted her to marry to a merchant, a famous merchant, but she wouldn't. But she didn't like the person. And one night, Gonzalo, when my cousin waited under her window to hear her sing, the other person presented himself unexpectedly. ಸೊ ಅವನೇನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಒಂದಿನ ಸಂಜೆ ಅವನು ಏನು ಹಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾಳೆ ಹಾಡನ್ನ ಸಂಜೆ ಹೊತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಳ ವಿಂಡೋ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ he wanted to listen to her beloved sweet voice singing, dancing, enjoying. So he went down to her window balcony and was waiting to Laura to sing. But unfortunately, this other person, the merchant, his fiancé probably, or could be, unexpectedly presented himself. So unexpectedly ಅವನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಬಂದು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ನಾವು ಇಬ್ಬರು ಸಿಗಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರು. ಡೊನಾಲೋರಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ಸಲ್ಟೆಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕಸಿನ್. ಹೌದು, ಅವನು ತುಂಬ ಇನ್ಸಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ ನಿನ್ನ ಕಸಿನ್ನ ಗಾನ್ಜಾಲೋ. ದೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಕ್ವಾರೆಲ್. ಸೊ ಬರೀ ಇನ್ಸಲ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಜಗಳನೇ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. ಲಾರಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೇಟರ್ ಅ ಡ್ಯುಯಲ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಜಗಳ ಆಯಿತು. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಫೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಡ್ವೆಲ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಗಾನ್ಜಾಲೋ ಎಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಸನ್ರೈಸ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಬೀಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿ ಮರ್ಚೆಂಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ಲಿ wounded. My cousin had to conceal himself a few days and later to fly. So my cousin had to conceal himself. So one fine day what happened, Don Gonzalo went to Laura's balcony to window to check whether she's singing, isn't it? But unfortunately gallant lover just appeared there. And he has to face his fiancée or the would-be, and they started quarreling with each other for Laura, isn't it? Because she's so beautiful, Merchant wanted to marry him, but Laura didn't want to marry him, but yet this gallant lover also wanted to marry him. So Merchant got very jealous that she has a boyfriend, so he started quarreling with each other. They started very big, later it leads to a big quarrel or duel. So by night they were struggling, they were discussing, they were quarreling with each other. But at sunrise, ಬೆಳಗಿನ ಜಾವ ಆಗ್ತಾ at beach, they went to beach and they had a very first duel. They had very great fighting with each other, and the merchant was badly wounded. Merchantಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಒದೆ ಬಿದ್ದಿತ್ತು. They have started fighting with each other. So gallant lover has to conceal himself. ಅಂದರೆ ಅವನ್ನ ಹೈಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಿನ ಬಚ್ಚಿಕೊಂಡಿರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಮರ್ಚೆಂಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್ ನೋನ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಲೊಕ್ಯಾಲಿಟಿ. ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ರಿಚ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಸೊ ಆ ರಿಚ್ ಪರ್ಸನಿಗೆ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ ಜನ, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್? ಪೀಪಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ರಶ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಟು ಕಿಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಲವರ್. ಸೊ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸೀಲ್ ಹಿಮ್ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್? ಕನ್ಸೀಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮುಚ್ಚುಮರೆ ಆಗೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಬಚ್ಚಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಹೈಡ್ ಅಂತ. My cousin had to conceal himself a few days and later to fly. So he has to fly now. ಬಚ್ಚಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಿನ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫ್ಲೈ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಓಡೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಅಥವಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ, ಮೈಗ್ರೇಟೆಡ್. ಲಾರಾ, ಯು ಸೀಮ್ ಟು ನೋ ದಿ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ವೆಲ್. ನೀನು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತು ನಿನಗೆ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಗಾನ್ಜಾಲೋ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಡು ಯು. ಎಸ್ ಸೋ ಡು ಯು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಡು ಯು. ನಿನಗೂ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಈ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಲಾರಾ. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ಮೀ. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು, ರೈಟ್? ಮೈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ಮೀ. ಗಾನ್ಜಾಲೋ, as my cousin did to me, aside. This is Laura. So now Don Gonzalo got to know that the lady sitting in front of her, beside her, is none other than his beloved Laura Lorente. Here Laura is more intelligent, right? She recognized Gonzalo earlier, but she was like, okay, pretending as if she doesn't know. But Don Gonzalo recognized her very lately, isn't it? So he says, yes, I know the story very well. This is what happened to me. My cousin, as my cousin did to me. So my cousin also explained this story to me. Inside, soliloquy. This is Laura, isn't it? Whom I was in love with. This is Laura. So many times when we meet our friends after a long time, we start quarreling, right? Because, oh, where have you been these days? Long time no seen, and we quarrel with each other, we fight with each other. Finally, we will recognize with each other, and we will recognize and we will hug each other. We show our love towards them. We show how much we have missed them, isn't it? So it's a beautiful experience, rather, isn't it? So here, but they cannot do all these things because they cannot reveal their real identities here. They want to hide their real identities. It has been long time. They are married now. They have kids now. They had grandkids as well. So they can't reunite now. So they want to hide each other's real identity. This is Laura. Oh, this is Laura, who was a dream to me. This is Laura. Aside, why tell him? He does not suspect. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದು ಬೇಡ, ಅವನಿಗೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ನಾನೇ ಲಾರಾ ಅಂತ, isn't it? Aside, she is entirely innocent. So he says, yeah, she's entirely innocent. She didn't recognize it. I have already recognized her, isn't it? So Laura. And was it you, by any chance, who advised your cousin to forget Laura? So ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಲಾರಾ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದು, ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ನೀನೇನಾ ಅದು ಯಾರು ಲಾರಾನ ಮರ್ತುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು? ವೈ ಮೈ ಕಸಿನ್ ನೆವರ್ ಫಾರ್ಗಾಟ್ ಹರ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನೇನು ಸಜೆಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮೈ ಕಸಿನ್ ನೆವರ್ ಫಾರ್ಗಾಟ್ ಲಾರಾ ಅಂದರೆ ನನ್ನ ಕಸಿನ್ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಲಾರಾನ ಮರ್ತೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಿ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ಡ್ ಹರ್ ಎನಿ ಟೈಮ್, ಎವ್ರಿ ಟೈಮ್, ಅಟ್ till his last breath he remembered Laura ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. So okay, where it was, and was it you, adninena, by any chance, who advised your cousin to forget Laura? Why my cousin never forgot her. So ನನ್ನ cousin ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಮರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ Laura. How do you count then for this conduct? ಸೊ ನಿನಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಹೇಗೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಥರ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Why my cousin never? Okay, I will tell you. The young man took refuge in my house. So now he is gonna tell Laura a beautiful constructed story now. He is gonna narrate a big story now about his own funeral, about his own death. Because he cannot reveal his real identity, so he has to make him martyr, isn't it? So Shaheed Aghogbutta anta helbeku, isn't it? He has to make himself a martyr person. So he is trying to conceal his real identity. At the same time, he wanted Laura to remember gallant lover as a true lover. ಸೊ ಯಾವತ್ತಾದರೂ ಅವಳು ಏನಾದರೂ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಅವಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಳು ತುಂಬ ನನ್ನ ಟ್ರೂ ಲವರ್ ಅಂತ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೋರಿನ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಈಸ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊ. ದಿ ಯಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಟುಕ್ ರೆಫ್ಯೂಜ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಹೌಸ್. ಆ ಯಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಕನ್ಸೀಲ್ ಆದಾಗ, ಐ ಮೀನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕನ್ಸೀಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಲಿ, ಸೊ ಅವನನ್ನು ಹೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ವೆನ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡ್ಯೂಯಲ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿ ಮರ್ಚೆಂಟ್, he concealed himself or he took refuge in my home. So ನನ್ನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ ಬಚ್ಚಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ, fearful of the consequences of a duel with a person higher regarded in that locality. So he was very fearful, he was very scared that he may have to face lot of consequences because he had a duel with a person who has secured higher authority, higher status in the society and higher regarded person in the society. So he has to conceal or he has to take refuge in my home, regarded in that locality. From my home he went to Seville. ನನ್ನ ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಅವನು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋದ? ಸಿವಿಲಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಅ ಸಿಟಿ ಇನ್ ಸ್ಪಾನ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಡ್ರಿಡ್. ಸಿವಿಲಿಗೆ ಓಡೋದ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಏನೇನೋ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮ್ಯಾಡ್ರಿಡ್ಗೆ ಬಂದು ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡ. ಹಿ ರೋಟ್ ಲಾರಾ ಮೆನಿ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಫರ್ಗಾಟ್ ದಟ್ ನೋ, ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡಂಟ್ ಫರ್ಗಾಟ್ ಲಾರಾ. ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ರಿಟನ್ ಮೆನಿ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಟು ಲಾರಾ. Some of them in verse, but undoubtedly they were intercepted. ಅವನು ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ದ ಲಾರಾಗೋಸ್ಕರ, ಬಟ್ ಅನ್ಫಾರ್ಚುನೇಟ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ ಅನ್ಡೌಟೆಡ್ಲಿ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಅವರ ಪ್ಯಾರೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಅವರು ಇಂಟರಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ನ ಲಾರಾಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಥರ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ಳಿಗೆ ಸಿಗಬಾರ್ದು ಆ ಥರ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಿವೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೈ ಹರ್ ಪ್ಯಾರೆಂಟ್ಸ್. For she never answered at all. So ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ದ, ಬಟ್ she never answered because her parents prevented it reaching Laura, her letters. Gonzalo then, in despair, in that strange feeling, in heartbroken feeling, believing his love lost to him forever, joined the army, went to Africa, and there in a trench met a glorious death, grasping the flag of Spain and whispering the name of his beloved Laura. Aside, what an atrocious lie. So here he says that I will tell you a story here. Why I'm concluding that Don Gonzalo has never forgot Laura. Don Gonzalo never forgot Laura. I will tell you the story, listen to me, okay? So after having duel with the merchant who is more superior in rank and status in the society, the locality, he took refuge in my home. In Gonzalo's home. Gonzalo took refuge in Gonzalo's home. This is irony. But yet It's a story constructed by Gonzalo to prevent himself, to not to reveal his own identity. So he said he took refuge in my home, fearful of the consequences of a duel with a person highly regarded in the locality. From my home, he went to Sevilla. So from my home, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಿನ ಇದ್ದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸಿವಿಲಾಗೆ ಹೊರಟು ಹೋದ. Later went to Madrid. ಅದು Madrid city ನಾಗ, isn't it? To Madrid. Came to Madrid. He wrote Laura many letters. ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು letters ಬರ್ದ. But undoubtedly they have been intercepted. They have been prevented and they have been controlled by their parents. So he never received any response to his letters. So he thought my love is lost to me. I mean his love is lost to him forever. So in despair he joined army. Spain in a army join ಮಾಡಿ ಆಫ್ರಿಕಾಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. Later in a big trench ಅಂದರೆ ನೀರಿನ ಚಾನಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು, a waterfalls or a water narrow path. Okay, subway, waterway ಅಂತಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. So waterway, joined the army, went to Africa, and there in a trench met a glorious death. He met a glorious death, grasping the flag of Spain, heroic death, right? Spain, and whispering the name of his beloved Laura, So this is how he wanted to immortalize Gonzalo in Laura's heart, in Laura's viewpoint. So he wanted to hide his identity, that is right enough, and he wanted Laura to remember her lover as a gallant lover, as a true lover. That's why he narrated this fabulous story. He made him martyr rather, isn't it? He says, and make sure they may ask you this question for 4 marks. How does Don Gonzalo create or narrate his own funeral story or his own death story? They may ask you this question for 4 marks. Make sure ಇಬ್ಬರೂ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಥರ ನರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರವರೇ ಸತ್ತಿರೋ ಸ್ಟೋರಿನ. ಬಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಶೋರ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯು ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ 6 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ, ಬಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ 4 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಮೇಕ್ ಶೋರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದೀಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್. ಸೊ ಹಿ ಸೇಸ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ tell you something, wait. So the man, after having a duel with the famous merchant, he took refuge in my home. Later he flight to Valencia, later to Madrid, and he wrote many letters to Laura, but unfortunately none of the response came from Laura. So he thought his love was lost to him forever. So he joined the army of Spain. This is a story of Spain, right? Okay, so he joined the army of Spain. He went to war. He went to Africa after. So when he went to Africa, he has to fight, isn't it? So in favor of the nation. So in a trench, in a subway or waterway, he met a glorious death, grasping the flag of Spain, the patriotism of Spain, and whispering Laura's name. ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾರಾ ಅಂತ ಸತ್ತು ಹೋದ. ಸೊ ಈಸ್ ಹೀರೋಯಿಕ್ ಡೆತ್, isn't it? ಹೀರೋಗೂ ಇಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಡೆತ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, isn't it? How imagination is and how he has constructed his own funeral. He says how atrocious lie, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬ್ರೂಟಲ್, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಾರ್ಬರಿಕ್ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು, isn't it? I mean ಅವನು ಲಾರಾ ಅಸೈಡ್, how tortuous lie, ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, isn't it? Same guy, he is sitting in front of me, but still he is creating his own funeral, that too more heroically, more beautifully, such a construction. So this is what Gonzalo creates his own funeral, narrates his own funeral, and later by next session we'll be reading how Donna Laura tries to narrate her own funeral. So we'll be talking it later by next session. I hope you have understood this lesson, this play. The last few lines what we discussed about the narration of Don Gonzalo's death is important for 4 marks. Make it sure, underline it, and if you're having any doubts, feel free to talk about. May Allah make learning easy. Till now, read it thoroughly, and goodbye, good luck.